Hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, I decided to show you how to make millions on the market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. First trade that we have opened is buy position. As you can see, we have invested our whole amount of money, $80. Because first of all, we have broken through the middle line of the Keltner channel. Secondly, price is hitting the upper edge of it right now. Additionally, we have confirmation from the super trend that we're in the buy zone. And finally, MACD is telling us non-stop that we're in the strong buy zone and we need to buy this asset. So we're just following the recommendations of the indicators that we're using. Plus, we have just opened eyes and we see what is going on the market and what we should do. That's why our $80 were invested in this buy positions that we're having right now. Anyway, just several seconds left and we will find out whether we were right or not. And we were right. This trade was closed with profit. Let's continue. We have $153 on the account. We have opened buy position. So it's closed with profit. We have $294. What do we have? Yes, I have opened buy position here, investing all of our money. Yes, we're going all in once again. Why did I do this? First, we have broken through the middle line of the counter channel. Secondly, paying attention to the MACD data. We're in the buy zone. Just look at the position of the green line. It's above the red one, like bypassing it right now. And we have the growing volumes of purchases right now. What means that buyers are becoming active. So that's why we have opened buy position here. So it's done. Trade is closed. $530 we have on the account right now. Let's continue. Here we are hitting the middle line of the Keltner channel right now. I think that from here we're highly likely to receive not a pullback correction, no, let's pay attention to the MACD. We're highly likely to break through it. So that's why I have opened buy position with $530 here. And I expect price to hit the upper edge of the Keltner channel right now. And after it, just like two options, whether we will stop growing or maybe we will even break through it and continue growing significantly. Anyway, we will be in profit by this time. So this trade is also closed. We have $1,008 on the account and we are ready to move forward. Well, so here we have open buy position. $1,000 are invested. We have broken through the middle line of the Keltner channel. According to the MACD, we're in the buy zone. So that's why almost everything is telling us to buy it, and we have done this. Let's see what will be next. And while we are waiting for the result of this trade, don't forget to open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get the best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. So, what do we have? Several seconds left and we will see the result of this trade. Okay, so we have $1,886 on the account. This trade was closed with profit and we are ready to move forward. Let me open buy position because, as you can see, price has already broken through the upper edge of the counter channel, which was acting like the resistance line zone, and now we are ready to grow further, further, and further. Now let's just wait and see. Okay, so this trade is closed. Let's continue. We have 3,508 bucks, and we still have enough time for the continuation of the current trading session and pumping our deposit more and more. Here, Audi USD, we have open sell position, investing our all deposit, because as you can see, price has right now broken through the middle line of the counter channel, and now we are hitting the bottom line of the same channel, trying to go lower. So that's why we have the huge prevalence of the sellers on the market right now, which are pushing the price down. So it's also down. We have $6,735 on the account right now. Let's continue, guys. Let's invest 4,000 bucks net. Let's not spend all our money on this trade right now. We have already spent enough. No sense to do more. And yes, it's also close with profit. And once again, the second trading session that I have, I pumped our deposit from like 100 bucks to 10,000 bucks just within around 8-9 minutes. And it's absolutely possible, as you can see. You want to have the same results? Easily open description to this video right now and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get all the answers. I wish you the happiest day ever. See you all, and bye bye.